Every day, millions of people travel by car. A world continuously moving, requiring maximum safety in the use of its vehicles. Talosa, world leader in the manufacture of steering and suspension components for the automotive sector, meets the requirements of professionals and end users worldwide with its quality and experience. Talosa, safety in motion. With more than 60 years of experience, we are a world-leading company in the aftermarket sector as manufacturers and distributors of suspension arms, ball joints, tie rods, and silent blocks for passenger cars, vans, and four-wheel drive vehicles. Since the beginning of the company, our clear aim has been to provide quality solutions to market requirements. We have evolved by turning our objectives and ideals into reality. This evolution, thanks to the joint efforts of our team of professionals and the continuous adaptation of cutting-edge technologies, has positioned our company to be recognized for quality control. Our group of companies has kept evolving with new product lines in order to offer integral chassis component solutions. The constant evolution of our processes and research, the development of new references, and the efficient management of the wide range of stock available at our warehouses inspire us to maintain our firm commitment to continuous improvement. Only working in this manner is it possible to be a world leader in such a competitive sector. We have production plants in Spain, India, China, Turkey, and Argentina. Careful management of the coordination and logistics control of our stock at every production site allows us to respond rapidly and deliver superb service to our clients all over the world. The products we manufacture are considered critical to safety on the vehicles they are fitted to. In order to comply with this task and responsibility, strict quality controls have been developed, supported by ISO 9001 TS standards and the ISO 14001 environmental certification. Our R&D department is tasked with research and the development of new references in order to meet market requirements regarding quality, safety, performance, and durability. Talosa means commitment to quality. We carry the most comprehensive and multifaceted range of steering and suspension components on the market, with more than 9,000 items, all of which are available at our warehouses. As a world leader in the manufacture and distribution of suspension arms, ball joints, tie rods, and silent blocks, we cover the biggest range of spare parts for almost 4,000 vehicle models in Europe, America, and Asia. Safety, top quality, commitment to the environment, and international distribution are the pledges and objectives of a leader. We are moving forward for you. Move forward with us.